Hello, welcome to Chemistry Past Questions and Answer Theory 2018, Section B. Question number 2C, Roman figure 1, Divine Esterification. Roman figure 2, give two uses of alkanoids. Then Roman figure 3, give the products of the alkaline hydrolysis of ethanoids. Now to the answers. Esterification is the formation of an ester by the reaction between alkanol and acid. Then we have the equation as alkanol reacted with alkanoic acid. Then the equation is reversible reaction. We have forward reaction forming esterification, and the backward reaction is hydrolysis. So giving alkanoid and water. So alkanoid is ester we are required. This reaction is extremely slow and it is reversible reaction with forward reaction esterification as explained, that is the formation of ester, and backward reaction hydrolysis at room temperature, and is catalyzed by a high concentration of ions. Roman figure 2, we have to give two uses of alkanoids. So there are some uses of alkanoids. Number 1, they are used in perfumes and cosmetics. Number 2, they are used in flavoring foods. Then number 3, they are used as solvents, that is in paints and nail varnishes, etc. Then Roman figure 3, we have to give the product of the alkaline hydrolysis of ethanoid. That is answer to this one. The products formed from the alkaline hydrolysis of ethanoids are: number 1, we have sodium ethanoid, that is CH3COONA, sodium ethanoid. Then the other product formed from the hydrolysis is ethanol, that is C2H5OH. So let's just quickly go into the writing of some of these answers to the question being asked. Esterification is the formation of an ester, by the reaction between an alkanol and an acid. So like I explained, this formation of ester is a reversible reaction. So we have alkanol reacted with alkanoic acid. Then I said it is reversible reaction with forward reaction giving esterification as explained before, and the backward reaction giving hydrolysis. Then we have alkanoid, that is the ester required, alkanoid. So we have ester plus water. So that is the two products formed in the formation of ester. So we are concerned with this only ester because we asked for the formation of esters. So that is esterification. Then Roman figure 2, we have to give two uses of alkanoid. So Roman figure 2, the two uses of alkanoids. Number 1, we have they are used as in perfumes. They are used as in perfumes and cosmetics. Then Roman figure 2, that is we only ask two uses of acanate. So we having they are used in flavoring food. They are used in flavoring food. So that is just the two uses of acanate. Then Roman figure 3 of these questions asked, we are asked for the product of alkaline hydrolysis of ethanoate. Then the two products formed here is sodium ethanoate, which is CH3 COONA, that is sodium ethanoate. Then the other product form is ethanol, which is C2H5OH. So these are just the 3 questions asked in section B, question number 2C. So we only have to give the definition of esterification, the two uses of acanate as answered. Then number figure 3, we have to give the product of the alkaline hydrolysis of ethanol, which is answered as sodium ethanoate and ethanol. So if you like this piece, click like and subscribe. God bless you. Thank you.